bottles, 3 transparent cups, soil, grass, and decayed leaves. First I cut 3 bottles like this way. Then I add same type of soil in equal amounts to each bottle and press them well. After I planted grass in one bottle and kept decayed leaves on the surface of the other bottle. Also I kept the third bottle open. Then I hang 3 transparent cups on the bottles. Now I am going to pour equal amounts of water onto the soil samples from the same height using the tin. Now we can observe the water flowing from the open bottle is darker than the other 2 bottles. Then the water flowing from the bottle containing water with decaying dried leaves is less darker than the open bottle. Finally, we can observe the water flowing from the grass-grown bottle is the clearest. This easy activity reveals us when there is a cover on soil, soil erosion is less.